pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey, hey, pull up on them, hey, make them run, hey, pussy, pull up on them, hey.
Yo, what's good, Gritty Gang? It's Jack Gritty back with another video, man. Today's video, I know I'm looking a little bit rough, but it's because I'm about to get my hair redone, man. So I got 2 strand twists still as well. So if you haven't seen that video, you can probably check that video out as well if you want to see how to get it actually 2 strand twisted. But I'm getting the 2 strand twists braided. So that's the difference here. A lot of you guys requested that when you seen my last video where I was in Florida vacationing and I had my hair braided. So I was like, might as well show y'all, take y'all through the process. I'm not gonna show it like everything because I did do a 2 strand twist video already, but I gotta get my hair washed and stuff today. So I'm gonna take y'all with me, man. Let's go. Alright, so my hair is all detangled. I just wanted to show y'all real quick like what I do when I wash it, or what I use. I use this Suave conditioner and shampoo. It's literally the same bottle. It just will say shampoo instead. But basically, like, you just want to use a good conditioner so your hair will have slippage.
Riding in my socks, running from my heart, and I shoot at heart. And I'm on the block, and I'm on the block. In New York, I really rock a lot. Hiding in my sock, hiding in my sock, selling every rock. In New York, I really rock. Hiding in my sock, this is every rock. Running from the car, shooting at the ops. Shooting at the ops, cause I run it back. Give me top, in my drop top. I need on the fuck. When I drop top, I need on the fuck. When I drop top, I need on the fuck. When I drop top. I did on cat, I did on bed. Fucking on your beat, I'm like that. All these niggas sound like cat, sound like cat. I'm so damn, I thought I told you. Shooting like a soldier, like I'm from Magnolia. All these niggas, always fold. Big, bang, never fold. 7, 8, feel that shit slow. Bitch, I'm session like a club. I'm lying, young Carti glove. Design is on, call it Dreadlock. Body bitch on your car.
Alright, so right now my hair is twisted up. You see, it's like a brick style parts. So it's a whole bunch of them. I'm not too sure. I'll put it up right here if I get it counted of how many there actually are. But now I'm pretty much just about to get it braided into 2 braids. So.
Riding in my socks, running from my heart, and I shoot at heart. And I'm on the block, and I'm on the block. In New York, I really rock a lot. Hiding in my sock, hiding in my sock, selling every rock. In New York, I really rock. Hiding in my sock, this is every rock. Running from the car, shooting at the ops. Shooting at the ops, cause I run it back. Give me top, in my drop top. I didn't hold no fuck, when I drop. I didn't hold no fuck, when I drop. I didn't hold no fuck, when I drop. I did one cat, I did one bad. Fucking on your feet, I'm her dad. All these niggas sound like cat, but I'm a soldier. Damn, I thought I told you. Shooting like a soldier, like I'm from Magnolia. All these niggas, always fold. Big, bang, never fold. Sick, hey, feel that shit slow. Bitch, I'm said she like the club. I'm lying, young Carti-magnolia. Design is on, call it Dreadlock. Body bitch, on your Carti, young Carti. Yeah, young Carti, young Carti. Young Carti, young Carti. Yo, I need up in that loop. I need up in that loop. Yeah, I love my bitch in that ring. And they say rockin' that ring. Rich, Carti, bitch, got a rich click. Suckin' on the click, suckin' on the dick. Get that on the tilt, told her about some kicks. Then I roll my dick, hop up in the road, lock it in the road, lock it in the road. And I'm cocky, walking on the dodgy. Didn't want to top me, bitch can't stop me. I'm riding in the body, this ain't even my body. Oh, that natural dodgy, your bitch look like an auntie. Walking with a shanty, then I look like shanty, then I look like Carti. I think that be young Carti. They spend 100 on a fucking watch, bitch, that's flip. In New York, I'm really rock. Hiding in my socks, running from my heart, and I shoot at heart. And I'm on the block, hello, and I'm on the block. In New York, I'm really rock. Hiding in my socks, hiding in my socks, selling every rock. In New York, I'm really rock. Hiding in my socks, this is every rock. Running from the car, shooting at the ops.
Alright, so my hair is done, all crisp and clean. You can see, you know, usually I know a lot of people in the last one asked me, like, do I get my hair lined up and cut after it's braided? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This particular one, I already had my hair cut and it was already lined up. I personally like to do it after, so it kind of has like that all finished look. This is what I get. It's just my 2-strand twists braided into 2 French braids. Usually you see people with like dreadlocks and stuff get this done. I like that kind of squared, separated pattern look, so that's why I get mine done like this. And you can see people like XXXtentacion, his hair was like this. Other people who have dreadlocks sometimes get their hair like this. I seen like Chippy Red do it, and I've even seen him like get it braided in a weird way. I'll put a picture up, but that is pretty much it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it or it helped, make sure you go down and hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, hit the bell so you guys can be notified whenever I make new videos, new content. But there's more stuff coming on this channel, coming soon. I'll be back to you guys with more.
They call it, they say they tryna pull up on me. Buzz on me, buzz on me, buzz on me.